Hello everyone, Tejas here. In this video, I will show you a website which allows you to transfer large files with your friends in shortest period of time. Let us see how. Firstly, open your browser and go to toffeeshare.com. This website allows you to send the files of any property and it doesn't have any size limitations. It is quite rapid. It transfers the files very quickly and it is 100% secure and end-to-end protected. Now, let us see sending this 1.8 GB movie file via toffeeshare.com. Just drag and drop the movie file which needs to be transferred. Once you place the movie file, an unique link will be generated with the QR code. You can either share QR code or the link generated with your friend so that he can download this file using this link. Let us see how. We have copied this and opening this on a separate tab, we can download the file with high download speed. Please make sure that you don't close this tab until your friend downloads the complete file. If you close the tab, then it stops sharing. And that's all for this video. To watch more videos like this, please consider subscribing this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.